Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. Today I'm going to show you the finishing a friendship bracelet with knotting technique. With this technique, you can create a quick and easy adjustable cord bracelet that is on trend and super fun to make. You can see here in this bracelet set that there are many different styles of bracelets you can use with this technique. And today I'm going to show you how to finish this bracelet right here. For this technique, you need cord. You can use a lot of different types of cord. You just want to make sure that when you burn the ends using a lighter, that the cords melt together. So we're using this nylon Tuff Cord here, but you can kind of just decide which cord you prefer as long as you can melt the ends with a lighter here. And then you also just need your Xeron thread and fiber scissors to cut your cord. Okay, let's get started. So for this technique, I'm going to be showing you on this style of bracelet, and it's just a multiple strand, simple friendship bracelet. So I'll be showing you how to do the knotting and melting of the ends on this here. So to start, you just want to cut your strands of cord here, and I'm going to use 9 strands because I have 3 colors, and I'm going to use 3 strands of each color. So you just want to cut that, and I cut mine to about 6 inches because for that length, I like it to be about at least 3.5, 4 inches. And so I just give myself a little over an inch on the ends to work with. Okay, so then once you have those cut, you want to take another 6-inch length, and you just want to find the center point. And then you just want to bring it around and create a loop. You want to keep it a little larger because you want to fit the strands through that loop. Okay, so then you just want to take all 9 of those strands, put them through. Okay, then you just want to tighten that cord. Then you just want to do that one more time. Tie a knot. Nice and tight. Okay, so you have this strand here that has secured all 9 of these strands. So now you just want to take your scissors and cut about 1/4 inch on the ends. Okay, and this is where you want to take your lighter. Then we're going to melt the ends until they all come together right before this knot here. You just want to slowly burn it. Okay, there you go. So now all those ends are melted together, and you just want to repeat that for the other side. After you have your ends knotted and melted together, you want to again take these end strands here, and you want to twist both of them. And make sure you twist them in the direction that they are already twisted. And you just want to kind of just keep twisting until it all kind of clumps together. Okay, so there's one. Just kind of hold that in place with your fingers. And then do that with the other side. twist it. Okay, and then you bring the ends together, pull, and then kind of just let it just twist around each other. Okay, and that'll just keep those strands together there. And you just want to tie a knot right at the end. Okay, and there you have your twisted ends there. And then you want to again trim, leaving a little tail. About a 1/4 inch. And then we're just going to very slowly just burn those ends. And that will just secure that knot there. And you just want to repeat that for the other end. Once you have these strands here twisted, knotted, and then also the ends burned, you just want to cut another 4 to 6 inch length of your cord. And you're just going to bring these two ends together. Okay, and then take that cord underneath and find the center point of it. And then one end, bring it over, and then the other, bring it over the cord, and then under and through that loop. And just pull tight. Okay, and then you do it again the other side. So go with the right, go over the cords, and then with this left side, going over, and then under the cord and through that loop. And again, just pull tight. Make sure it's sitting up next to the previous knot. And again, the left side over, and the right side over that cord, under the twisted cord and through the loop. Okay, I'm just going to repeat that a few more times. Just until we have a little length to work with. Over, under, and through. Okay, one more time. Switching sides. over the cord, under the twisted cord, through the loop, okay, so there's a nice little length for your adjustable closure. And now we just want to cut these ends here. Again, about 1/4 inch. And then we just burn until it's sitting just close to that macrame. Okay, there you go. And that is how you finish your friendship bracelet with knotting. As you can see, the closure makes it adjustable. So if you liked the video, make sure and hit the like button. And if you're new to our YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button to keep up to date on all of the DIY jewelry making videos we have to share. Thanks for watching.